Hello guys, it's me Thompson and I'm recording a try not to laugh challenge. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Um, okay. So guys, I'm back and I'm this video and yeah. Um, Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna play a completely different game now with the impossible game because all the try not to laugh challenges weren't the best, so yeah, let's play impossible game. Alright, easy. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I'm actually just trying to Oh my god, I'm done guys, because playing really different games for them is just horrible. So I'm not really games to be honest, it's just touch. I don't want Oh, looks like translucent. You are going to things and now for dinner. I'm not going to yeah, guys, I'm just not ending this video here because it's bad. But anyway, I will see everybody who's actually watching this video. Yeah, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, that's just what I want to do. Yeah.